Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI MatePad 10.4. First of all, you need to open Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on Huawei. Then type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer on both devices. Now open it. Click I accept. Then choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. You need to go with Receive on Huawei and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo. Tap Send and click Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here on Huawei. Choose Allow and point your camera at the code. But I will input password because it's more comfortable. And tap Receive. Now we have to wait. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. You can always check it out by going into Folder Files, for example, tapping on, in my case, Recent, and as you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!